Ravi Madhu's cooking is all about inspiring everyone to cook delicious cuisines at home. Before proceeding further to watch this video, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video. Don't forget to touch the bell button besides it so as to enable automatic notification of every new cooking video. Also like the video after watching it if you really like it. Click on description button below, or if you are watching it on laptop, touch the show more button at bottom of description column to find the list of ingredients and detailed recipe text. Today we are making Besani Arbi, that is gram flour coated Colocasia or taro roots curry. Taro roots are cooked in many different ways in India using various recipes and supporting ingredients. We are cooking it coated with gram flour, which is a traditional Arbi dish of Punjab. To make this delicious Besani Arbi ki sabzi, boil 300 gram Arbi until tender, peel all pieces and remove tips. Cut these roots into halves and into thirds depending upon size. Add 1/2 teaspoon or to taste of red chili powder in a small bowl. Also add 1/2 teaspoon garam masala, 1/2 teaspoon or to taste salt, 3/4 teaspoon dhania powder, that is ground coriander seeds, and 1/2 teaspoon or to taste amchur powder, that is ground dried raw mango powder. Mix all seasonings well, then sprinkle with mixed spices powder over. Peeled and cut taro root chunks, toss to mix and season evenly. Keep aside for a while. Now add 3 or 4 tablespoon cooking oil or ghee in a wok over medium heat. Cooking medium has to be put generously in this curry as gram flour is to be fried and roasted in it. Add 1/2 teaspoon ajwain, that is carom seeds, into wok, and when seeds start crackling add 2 tablespoon besan, that is gram flour. Stir to mix well and reduce heat to medium-low. Stir continuously for 6 to 8 minutes on medium-low heat to saute and roast gram flour. Saute until it turns into slight reddish color and your kitchen is filled with that mouth-watering aroma of roasted gram flour. Reduce heat to low and season with 1/2 teaspoon or to taste of salt. Keep one thing in mind, that this time we are going to season gram flour only as Arbi has already been seasoned. Also add 1/4 teaspoon or to taste red chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon dhania powder, that is ground coriander seeds, 1/4 teaspoon or to taste garam masala, and 1/2 teaspoon or to taste amchur powder, that is ground dried raw mango powder. Stir and saute spiced gram flour for a couple of minutes on low heat. Now add boiled, peeled and seasoned Arbi, that is seasoned Colocasia or taro roots, into wok. Toss gently to coat all pieces evenly with seasoned gram flour. Finally sprinkle with 1 teaspoon crumbled kasuri methi, that is dried fenugreek leaves. Turn off the heat and toss gently to mix. Serve delicious Besani Arbi ki sabzi accompanied with naan, roti or parantha. Enjoy! We hope that you liked the recipe. Please write your views in comments column below for sure. Your feedback really means a lot to us. Thanks.